Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with Integral with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. It's unavoidable. Sometimes your Windows 10 computer will get messed up, but there's an easy fix where you can restore it back to a working point. Windows 10 has a lot of great features built into it, and one of those features is the restore option. You can set a restore point to roll your computer back to a previous time. Uh, this is helpful if you accidentally uh, download a virus on your computer. Sometimes you have to install malware remover to get rid of the virus. Other times Windows just glitches up because of a faulty Windows update, or maybe you've shut your computer down improperly too many times. Let's take a look at Windows System Restore. I can help you get your Windows 10 computer back to a point where it's working properly. There's our dual monitor Windows 10 computer with a nice panoramic view of I was going to say the Grand Canyon, but it's not. But anyway, if you want to get to the Windows Restore feature, it's pretty simple. Just go down to the Windows Start menu. Click on Start, and then click on the cog, which is Settings. Once you click on Settings, you will get the Windows Setting feature, and the quickest way to get to Restore is just to go into Settings and type in the word Restore. But what you can do is you can go back to, you can restore your files with file history for a backup. You can create an actual restore point where you can go in and manually set a restore point if you're going to make major changes to your computer. What we want to focus on today is reset this PC. So what you can do is, like it says, if your computer isn't running well, resetting it will help. And what you can do is you can keep your files, or you can completely remove them. And this is helpful if, A, you're running a Windows computer that doesn't have that many files on it, or B, you want to restore or save your information. So to start the reset this PC, we want to click on Get Started. After a few seconds, it'll give us an option. We can keep my files, which it removes your programs and your settings, but it keeps your personal files, or you can tell it to remove everything and just reset the computer back to what's considered factory defaults. Once you click on one of those options, it'll go through a process where it'll reset Windows. So if you're having glitches with Windows, it'll reset it back to a place where you can start all over again. And sometimes it just saves you the headache of trying to troubleshoot and find out what's going on with the computer. A lot of times there will be issues in Windows that you just can't simply fix because there are so many files and settings in Windows that it doesn't really do you any good to go through and try to get that stuff, try to figure out what's going on. So a quick reset is the easiest thing to do, to go in and reset your computer and get it up and going. That way you don't have to call a company like us unless you have something really major like the computer won't come on. So the next time that you're having issues with Windows, remember the restore feature. It can really save you a lot of headache and heartache by getting your Windows 10 computer up and going again. So hopefully this tip will help you get your Windows computer up and going again. As always, if you've got comments or questions, leave them in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you. If you want to see other great tech tips like this, check out our YouTube channel at Integral On-Site and Online Tech Support. And we're all over social media sharing fun stuff such as computer tips, and just a little window into my life and lives here of the folks at Integral. So as always, take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile.